Hello everybody, I just wanted to show you guys a really cool way to use just a can of home style zucchinis in like a tomatoey paste to spice up some leftover plain noodles. And I also have some corn. It's left overnight at my house. I basically have some leftover hamburgers. I've had some leftover sausage. I have leftover, I believe it's noodles, and I have some leftover corn, and then I have a bunch of fresh veggies that I just got, and I took my leftover sausage, I threw it in there with onions, green peppers, some like sweet yellow peppers, a little bit of red ones. I put some spinach in a grilla, and I just kind of put it on a low heat for a while, let it simmer, really heat up, kind of get those veggies sauteed. I'm more concerned about like getting the peppers and the onion sauteed, and this takes minimal work, at least for me. I live alone, and I bought the already diced up veggies. It was a little more expensive, but part of that work was done for me, and they go me a while because it's just me, and I incorporate them onto like omelets and into things like this, and I don't use a whole lot at a time. And this way I'm actually getting like a whole variety of veggies in this. Like I said, I'm getting zucchini, I'm getting sausage, and then what I did for spices was I just did a little bit of black pepper, salt, garlic powder, and oregano. I did a little bit of oregano, and I'm just letting that cook, and it kind of tastes like a spaghetti sauce. And you could even, if you really wanted to, add like some pesto or ragu if you wanted to like thicken it up and really have it be like spaghetti-y, but spaghetti-like. But like I said, it's already got like a tomatoey kind of taste. And then once it's heated, I mean, you can basically throw it on your leftover noodles and your corn. I already heated that stuff up. And all I really had to do was cut up the sausage, throw in some of the veggies, and pour in the can and heat it up and throw some spices on. Like, the greens are like arugula and spinach, but you could use beetroot leaves too. I've heard those are really, really good. And I've had them before. I liked them anyways. I probably will like try to get a little taste of more of my peppers. This is super, super good, everyone. And that's kind of about it for the day. I hope everyone's having good. This is, like I said, a simple way you can take a can of veggies, a can of Del Monte zucchini with some home-style tomato paste, and leftover meat, because you could use hamburgers, some greens, and some other stuff to really have a delicious meal. Thank you everyone for watching, and I hope you all have a nice day. Bye everyone. Bye.